Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is another beautiful day here in Washington State. The weather's actually broken for the day. We have an incoming winter storm, but today's beautiful. So I am trying to spend as much time as I can outside. That being said, I want to come on here and do a quick video, quick pocket dump, show you what I'm carrying for this week. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, first thing, keys to, where's she at? The Civic. Mike made me this leather key tag right here. This is KFNW on there, Kayak Fisher Northwest. Very cool. Thanks, bud. Next up, we've got the phone. Galaxy A51. Does the job. Takes good photos, good for Instagram, stuff like that. Next up, we've got the knife. The knife is Spyderco Native 5. Little bead that Mike sent me. It's going to good use there. Did a little flame bronzing on the clip. And just recently put a new edge on that thing. You can see it is nice and shiny. Really loving this knife more than I ever thought I would. Alright, let's see, what else do we got in the front pocket here? We have got this coin that Mike Hawk Hobbies, this guy I'm talking about, this guy, yeah, he sent me this. Very cool. And something else he sent me. My EDC has changed a bit ever since he sent me that package, which is awesome. But yeah, the keyboard. I love this thing. Got it set up already. Got my keys in it. Little tag he made me. Yeah. Alright, moving to my back pocket. We've got this Hank by Ace of Hanks that Mike so graciously sent me. Really sick. Got this on the other side. Yeah. Let's see. Next up, we've got my flashlight, Convoy S2 Plus. Love this thing. And rounding out that pocket is my Leatherman Free T4. Used and abused, but still loved and cared for. Lastly, oh boy, I realize I kind of got a lot in my pockets today. Is last but not least is my wallet. Y'all know it. Just your simple bifold. Yeah, love it. Okay, I think that's going to do it, and that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys are having a good Sunday. That's the day I'm filming this and going to post it on. So, yeah. Surrounded by fishing gear out here. It's making me feel guilty that I didn't get out in the lake this morning, but I just didn't. So, we will. We're going to get back out there soon enough. Alright, thanks for the continued support of the channel, as always. See you on the next one.